Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 14 of the September Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. You can see that I have a different background. I'm in Lisbon right now with this guy. I don't know. Uh, he's also, wait, should I tell people that you're LeetCoding? Whatever. Anyway, I'm in Portugal. So anyway, today's problem is we reverse only letters. Okay, given the string S, we reverse the string according to the following rules. Okay, all the characters are not English. We mean the same place or English. Okay, so this is pretty straightforward. It's just about keeping track of stuff. So you just have to be careful. I think that's my only advice for this one. And you could do this in linear time. You could do it in a stack. You could just, I don't know, parse them out and then do it backwards. There are a lot of things you can do with this one. So you can play around with this one. So hopefully this should be good. Let's see, the English letter. I think sometimes though, as someone who's done internationalization before, English letters is a little bit vague to be frank, but I assume it is just the lowercase or uppercase with just the 52 characters, and then we'll play around with that. Okay, so, yeah, there are a couple of ways you can do it. So I'm going to start by just setting n is equal to length of the string, and then just for each character, we are going to, first of all, I apologize, I forgot to bring my headset and mic, so it may be a little bit weird for the sound, but this is an easy problem, hopefully, so it should be okay. Hope y'all are doing well. Okay, so yeah. So if C is, actually, I want to, in other languages, I might do something like this, but actually, I don't know if this is accurate in Python. And the other thing I would say is that I would do maybe something like what is that function name in Python that I'm blanking out on? Alpha something. I think it's alpha. But to be honest, I don't know if this is localized in a good way. And what I mean by that is that it may contain non-English characters, but that said, it only contains ASCII values, which, if you know from ASCII, I believe all the alphabets in that range is of the quote unquote the Latin code. Yeah, so I think it should be okay, but if not, we'll just have to fix it later. But these are the things that I would think about because if you've done internationalization or localization once, you realize that it is a minefield for things it is a little bit tricky. But yeah, okay. If this is else, then okay. So we have an answer is equal to, let's just call it blank. So maybe just none times n. Otherwise, you have answer that I is equal to c. So here we want to keep track and then do something backwards. So let's just put it on a stack. And then we just put stack append C. And then now we just have to go for a second pass. I don't think you can do it in one pass reasonably. So, and you can do this recursively, but it's a little bit awkward. So yeah, but yeah, and then we just have to do it from. Now we have to just do it again, and then this time popping off the stack. Nope. This is equal to the stack.pop, and basically, yeah, you're just getting it backwards from a reverse order, right? So then, yeah, now we just return the join of the string, and there you go. Let's copy and paste the other examples. But yeah, this should be good, but going over the complexity real quick, we go over the string we go over the string twice, so that's going to be linear time over 1 per character. In terms of space, you can do better than linear in terms of that's the size of the output or the answer. So can we do better than linear space? This looks okay, so let's give it a submit. Cool. Yeah, linear time, linear space. I think this is pretty straightforward. You can do it in a number of ways. If you are able to do this really quickly, I urge you to kind of just practice optimizing that process so that, optimize your code so that you can kind of be more familiar with your language. Because I think the first time you do something, it's okay to be yucky, and you still feeling out the problem. You may have things that you don't anticipate, but the second time you're like, okay, now I know what I want to do exactly. Now can I write things in a little bit better, right? Anyway, yeah, that's all I have for this one. It's gonna be quick, short, and hopefully sweet. That's stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you later, and bye bye.